This is a quick how-to on creating a shell course in Canvas. The reason you want to create a shell course is each semester you will have the courses that are set up from your Infinite Campus import, but those only come in a couple of days before the semester starts. So you want to create a shell course to build over the summer or when you have time, and then that way you can do a quick import into the classes that are set up and populated with your students. So when you log in, you come up on Dashboard. You can start a new course here by clicking Start a New Course, and you would make it private or public. Private means that nobody else can copy your course, but if you don't care, if you want other people to create it, you can put it under Creative Commons or public domain. And you would name your course. Another way to do that is to go into courses here and to list all courses, and there is a plus sign up here. Same thing. So I'm going to create a course called Delete Me because I don't need this course. And once I create it, it will give me all of the information that I need there where I can get started on creating modules and adding content. Once I've finished building the shell and I'm ready to export it into my other class, I can go down here to Settings at the very bottom, and over on the right hand side it says Import and Export. So this is the shell course. I would just export this course content, and then I would go back over to my course listings, find the course with all the students in it at the beginning of the school year, and then I would come back to Settings and import the course content there. And that takes a little while if you have more videos and pictures, but it's a pretty easy process to do.